Today we're going to show you the Pandora Immo, which is an immobiliser and anti-hijack system. It's been fitted onto an F-Type Jag 2017, and we're going to show you exactly how it all works. Now, it can all be controlled through a smartphone app, so it can be used on Android or iOS, and it all works around these tiny little tags. So as long as the tag's inside the car will start. As you can see, car starts and runs. No issues whatsoever. For demonstration purposes, we've actually removed the battery from the tag itself. So now if the tag has got nothing in it, so the alarm system sees, as you can see on the app, is showing it as out of range. The alarm system or the immobiliser will then start to beep to confirm that it can't see the car, the tag itself. If we start the car, the engine will run, but the immobiliser is still telling you that obviously it's not been activated. If we then try and move the car, as soon as it detects motion, it kills the engine. It will allow it to start again one more time, but again, if you try and pull away again, it's notifying you, telling you that something's gone wrong. It will kill the car again. It dies. This works exactly the same way if you are pulled out the vehicle as well. So if the tag is obviously with you and you're taking out anti-hijack, it will go through a set sequence of about 40 to 50 seconds, which can be set in the app itself and before it kills the car safely. In the smartphone app, you can actually control valet mode, which means obviously switching the unit off. So if you're going to take the car in to have it serviced or maybe even cleans, you can set the time period you want to have it as well. So 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, say if the car's been valeted, or obviously 1 to 2 or even 30 days if you're having the car serviced or it's going away for a while. You can actually control how you set it up. So it's nice and easy to put into valet mode as well. For more information on the Pandora Immo, you can contact any Pandora dealer in the UK, or you can visit us at Pandora Car Alarms U.K.